Okay, let's click the open button and now click on Excel Expert Working, a single click, and hold the control key down and single click on XLX Working 2 and then click the open button. And now let's go to the Windows menu as soon as these are finished loading, and we want to find Arrange and select Tiled. Well, it's already selected by default, so let's click the OK button. And now click on XLX Working 2 and go to the Tools menu and select Track Changes and highlight changes and check the box for track changes while editing. This also shares your workbook, and then click the OK button. And now we want to click in A1 and select Excel and type My Hardware and press the Enter key. And then click in cell A3 and type the equal sign, and then select the Excel Expert Working folder and click in A3 there and press the Enter key. Now in Excel Expert Working we want to select cell C5 and change the amount to 90, and you note that B4 changes as well but isn't highlighted as a change. Now click on A1 in XLX Working 2 and go to the Tools menu, Track Changes, Accept or Reject Changes, and OK, and OK. And we'll accept that change, and we'll accept that one as well. And now go to the Tools menu, Track Changes, and Highlight Changes, and clear the Track Changes while editing box, and OK, and yes. And now we can close Excel Expert Working, and we might as well save the changes. Now maximize XLX Working 2 and select B3 and B4, and let's go to the Format menu and Cells and the Protection tab and ensure that Locked is selected, and OK. Now go to the Tools menu and Protection and Protect Sheet, and we want all three of those boxes checked, and let's type password as password, and OK, and let's type it again to make sure we spelled it right the first time, and OK. And now let's go to the File menu and select Save As and click the Tools button, and on the general options we want to type password 2 and type it and OK, and now type password 2 again and OK and save, and yes. Now we can close that workbook, and let's go to File and select it again and enter our password 2. Okay, and no, we don't want to update the links. And I'll go to the Tools menu, Protection, and unprotect the sheet. And We have to enter a password of password, and OK. Now go to the File menu, Save As, and click Tools, and on the General Options, and press the Delete key to delete the password, and OK, and save, and yes. Now close Excel, and we want to open My Computer. Let's go to Start menu and My Computer, and browse to the Excel 2K Expert folder, which is in My Documents, and right click on Excel Expert Working and select Properties, and on the General tab let's check the Read Only box, and OK. Now double click on Excel Expert Working to open it, and we'll see at the top that it's Read Only. Now we can close Excel again. Oh, we don't need to save. And let's right click on that file again and Properties, and deselect the Read Only, and OK. And now if we double click on it again to open it, we'll see that we're back to not Read Only.